Hey guys, today I have with me Realme GT 5G Master Edition. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 120Hz. Realme GT 5G Master Edition has a bezel-less punch hole display. On the right spine, you'll find the power button, and on the other side, the phone has the volume rocker and the SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Realme GT 5G Master Edition comes with a triple camera setup. You'll see the Realme branding next to the camera module. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Realme GT 5G Master Edition comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor, which ensures a seamless performance. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 256GB. Realme GT 5G Master Edition offers a 4300 mAh battery powered by a 65-watt Super Dart charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64-megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 32-megapixel front camera with an Exmor RS sensor. The software version of Realme GT 5G Master Edition is Android 11 with Realme UI. So guys, that's it for Realme GT 5G Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching this video.